Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. I really do appreciate it. So I just got my car inspected to drive for Uber the other day. I've been driving for a while, but every single year you need to get your car re-inspected. So for any new drivers out there who don't know the process, when I first got my car inspected, the inspector told me that I shouldn't be passing your car because of a few things. So I'm gonna go over what the inspection is and just a few things to look out for when you're getting your car inspected. And I'm gonna walk you through the process. Obviously, I don't have an Uber inspector here, but I just got it done 2 days ago. So, it's still fresh in my mind. So I can show you exactly what it is. So first off, when you do bring your car in, you can't have any your car, no cracks in the windshield. As you can see right here, this is brand new. So when I first got my car inspected, I had a little tiny hole right here, a little crack, I guess from like a rock or something. The inspector told me, I really should not be passing your car because of that. And he told me you need to get that fixed right away. But he ended up passing me anyway. But make sure you don't have any cracks in here. Okay, and then the other reason he said that he shouldn't be passing your car was because of this right here. I don't know if you can see, but this right here this did crack right here. We did glue it back together. When the first time I took it in, it was split open, and he said, oh, I shouldn't be passing your car because of that either, so make sure to get that fixed because, your passengers don't want to trip over it or anything. But now I'm just going to go over the inspection. So once you get in, they'll give you your stickers if you're just signing up, or they'll give you new ones. And then when you go in, they say, all right, pull in here, and then do these things. So here, come follow me. They say, all right, open your doors. Yeah, so they say, open your doors, and then they go around and they open every single door. They go like that. They make sure this opens up. All fine. They look inside the trunk. Looks all good. Follow me around here. They go like this, open this, they open this. Then they go in the back here, and then they make sure that all of these seatbelts, you can follow me, they make sure all of these seatbelts do work. So they check all of these. Then they check this one here, or what is it? Yeah, so they go like that, make sure this works, check that, check the other ones, the other side. Then they come in here, check this one as well, make sure that works, open it up, and then they have you turn the car on. They make sure all your windows roll down. So they roll these down. Then roll your back, you have your back windows roll down, roll back up. Then they say, all right, put your left blinker on. So you put on your left blinker. Then they say, all right, put on your right blinker. Come back over here. Then they say, all right, turn on your lights. Your front headlights. So you put on your headlights. Then they say to put your brights on. Those are my brights. Then they say put on your hazard lights. Put on your hazards. You come over here. Then they say, all right, tap the brake. So I tap the brake here. Then you can go over there, make sure the brake's working. They tap the brake. Then they say put your reverse lights on. Make sure those work. Then they say turn your windshield wipers on. So you turn on your windshield wipers, make sure those work. Oh, and then the final thing that they ask you is to honk your horn. Make sure you do have a working horn. I do. My horn works. And yeah, that's literally it. It's super easy. It's called a 12-point inspection. I know it does kind of sound like pretty intimidating, but honestly, it's just the basics. They're not checking your oil. They're not doing a test drive with you. It's super simple. You go in, takes literally 2 minutes. Lyft, you have to schedule it, but for Uber, you just go in during their hours, which is Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., something like that. It might depend on your location. During the weekdays only usually. Also, this is 100% free. I totally recommend going to an Uber or Lyft location because they do offer this service for free. You can get it done at a separate location on your own. It has to be a state sanctioned place. You can't just go to a local mechanic and have it done. They do not mess with that. Oh, I did forget to mention, if you do it at an Uber place, the place I got it done, it was like a whole hub. It was like a whole building that literally said Uber in it, and it was like decked out, a super fancy place, and they're just pumping these inspections out all day. When I got my Lyft one done, I went to a T-Mobile, I think it was like a Sprint store, and they just had like, maybe it was like a Jiffy Lube or something. They partner up with like local Jiffy Lubes, and they just pump those out. But yeah, guys, that's it. Literally, I just wanted to show you guys the inspection process because I had no idea what it was when I signed up. So, yeah, again, you need it done once a year just to, have them know that you do have a maintained vehicle. And I hope you learned something. And if you didn't, then sorry, I just wasted your time. Anyways, guys, leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video on Uber and Lyft. And that's it for today's video. Have a great day, guys. See y'all next time.